You will need a flat space to work in, and it's best to build the shelves where you plan to use them. One person can complete this task, but two will make it easier. You will need two 17mm spanners or socket wrenches. Lay two uprights apart on the floor to the width of a cross brace. Position a brace top, middle, bottom. Position the diagonal braces to fit over the bolt holes. Use the included bolt to hold the braces in position. Add the nuts and finger tighten all braces into position. Then finish using your 17mm spanner. Stand the first upright in position. Place the bottom beam at your desired height and push down to lock it with the frame. Repeat this on the other side. Stand the other upright in position and repeat. Fit the remaining front and rear beams in place using the same method. Insert the provided locking pins into each point where the shelf beam meets the upright frame. You'll need 4 pins per complete shelf. 1 pin at each end on both sides. Lay your shelf panels between the top retaining lips of the beams. Before you start loading your shelves up, we recommend you fix the unit to the floor. You'll need to use appropriate fixings for the floor surface to avoid tipping. And that's it, you're ready to start stacking your shelves. If you have an additional bay, you can build off the first bay by using one additional upright and then attaching beams off the first bay. You can now add as many additional bays as your space allows. Adding bays in this way is the most efficient way to add shelving to your storage area.